Go.
Hey everybody, I decided I'm going to make some anvils, and these are the beginnings. So I started with a piece of 4-inch thick steel plate. It's been burned out, and here's a rough one. Well, they're both rough. This is what it looks like. I'm going to use my shaper. I'm going to plane off all the sides, and it's going to resemble a medieval hornless stump anvil when I'm done with it. It'll be hard-faced with A2 tool steel. It'll have a hardy hole in it. It'll have a swage block on the side. And I'm about to fire up the shaper and show you the beginnings. So this is my 1942 Cincinnati shaper. I restored it. It was a big pile, but now it's not. Here we go. Exciting, isn't it? The speed and efficiency. Getting the height set so I can do it in one pass. This ought to be plenty deep. We've got her going like 29 strokes a minute, and this is the bottom of the anvil. I got to get it flat, then I'm going to go ahead and do the tops of both of them when they're ready. I'll show all the steps. It's going to have a hardy hole in it. It'll have everything a real anvil should have. I know it's kind of pointless to make an anvil, but I just want to do it. So I think it'll be pretty fun. They won't be too heavy. They'll be about 80 to 90 pounds. So you can follow along if you want to. This is some of my shop.
Oh, wait. Go.
This is some of my shop. I could have done the anvils on these horizontal mills, but it's too much fun running the shaper. So I decided to run the shaper. And my friend Andrew here will just take a quick shot around. I got to get back to the shaper.
Heaven has more industrial might than some nations.
I figured I ought to make an anvil since I make all the other silversmithing tools, and I've always wanted one of these hornless anvils. Oh yeah, we're making progress now. This is really the perfect machine for scraping off carburized steel.
Kevin, I want to take your shaper to the prom.
She's a little old for you, Andrew.
She is a little old for me. She still dances good, though.
Yes, she does. A slow waltz. With the cut.
Okay, go.
We're just about done with the pass, and I'll do another video later on that'll show me facing the top of it and making the other parts to the anvil, because it's going to have some side plates for like the fifth leg and all the hardy oil and everything else. But it just takes a few minutes to get across the top of here. I think I'll probably put up maybe 4 or 5 videos until I finish up these two anvils. I figured if I was making one, I might as well make 2. So that's it at the end of the cut. That's the finished product as far as the bottom of the anvil. I'll flip the thing over here and do the other side, and then it'll get a hard tool steel face. Can't just have a soft anvil, it won't be of any good. But it'll be a nice A2 tool steel plate. So that's it, folks.